So, I wanted to let you guys know about this great newish product I found. It's this from Rain-X. My headlights were getting a bit yellow and gross and dim, and I didn't feel like going through the whole rigmarole of, drilling them, polishing them with a kit, because I did that to my mother's car. It was a pain in the butt. I found this at Walmart for like $5 or so. Works really well. Stupid me didn't take before and after pictures, but take my word for it, it really works well. It doesn't do anything for the scratches, it just gets the ground in dirt out very nicely. And I'm very happy with the results. This is not a paid endorsement, by the way. I don't get paid quarterly dick for this friggin' channel, you know? But anyway, yeah, it's cheap, it's effective. Just be sure you apply it correctly. It dries up as you're using it. So keep it wet and apply and remove in a circular motion. Wax on, wax off, Daniel. You know, remember that? So, headlights yellow, give it a shot. Or I'll proudly refund your money. Try to find me to get it. That's all. Thank you.